back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sending my room into a slime room, basically. Make sure to hit that subscribe button over here and like this video. And guys, let's get to it. For the first bit, I'm going to be tidying this little corner and turning it into something nice. So yeah, let's put it into time now. So guys, so far I've put the lids on these and I've just moved stuff around here. And comment down below if I should put those drawings on this green mat, because I'm not sure, and I'll do that for the next video. Okay guys, so now these drawers are full of slime supplies, and I'm just going to put these 3 drawers into here. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do in this drawer is I'm going to put some charms and stuff, and this one's going to be fake sprinkles, and this one is some Java chip sort of stuff that I'm putting in this slime, and you'll see that in another video when I make them. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm going to take this thing off and then clean out the kitchen. Okay guys, so this was the borax and activation drawer. So tidy it. So I've got this borax thing. It's like really little. It's got a little borax label on it. It's really cute. Like that. And the thing of borax. And it's a bit of borax as well. There's some saline solution. Baking soda. And some more. So that's the borax thing, guys, so yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going to put these balls of glue to the side, and I'm going to like flake them like this, because like all squished up and stuff. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to like group all the paints up and stuff like that. So let's do it, guys. Okay guys, so this is it so far. I've got the clay, some Da Vinci, some paint, some glue, and then some nice lines and shaving cream. So guys, so this is it so far. I've got my clay, the Da Vinci stuff over there. Then I've got that bit for doing my YouTube videos, and that bit over there, and stuff. So make sure to stay tuned for part 2, and let me show you guys something. So basically this is a table, and I'm just put it, basically, this is it, and I put it up here. It's not really a table, and I've got loads of room up here. So comment down below what I should do next, and stay tuned for Okay guys, so thank you for watching that YouTube video right there. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and like this video. And stay tuned for part 2 that'll be coming out anytime guys. Make sure to put those notification bells on, and see you next time guys, bye!